In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to HubSpot, a powerful tool that can help streamline your marketing efforts. Let's dive right into the process, which is both straightforward and efficient. First, you'll want to begin at the trial guide by visiting the appropriate link within the HubSpot platform. This is your starting point for managing all things related to content and design within HubSpot. Once you're on the Sales Hub Professional page, you'll want to direct your attention to the Content tab. Clicking here is your gateway to accessing all the different types of media and design tools available at your fingertips. This is where you can organize and manage all your creative assets. Next, after clicking on Content, you'll need to proceed to the Design Manager. This step is crucial as it's where all the magic begins for creating and importing custom designs, including your HTML email templates. The Design Manager serves as your workspace for all things design related within HubSpot. Now, within the Design Manager, you'll see an option to create a file. This is your cue to begin setting up your HTML email template. By creating a new file, you ensure that your template is uniquely stored within your HubSpot account, ready for editing and customization. After selecting Create a File, simply click on Next. This button guides you deeper into the setup process, ensuring that your file is correctly configured and prepped for importing your HTML structure. At this juncture, it's important to have your HTML code ready to go. If you've already created your email design in another editor, you can simply copy and paste the HTML code in the provided editor within HubSpot. Make sure your code is clean and free of any errors before pasting it in. A helpful tip is to always preview your email within HubSpot to ensure everything looks just as you intended before sending it out. HubSpot allows you to preview how your email will appear on both desktop and mobile, ensuring a responsive design regardless of where it's viewed. Once you're satisfied with the preview, make any necessary adjustments to the layout or content directly within the Design Manager. And that's it! You have now successfully imported an HTML email template into HubSpot. Remember, this process not only helps you maintain brand consistency across your email marketing efforts, but also allows you to custom tailor templates for different campaigns. By utilizing the powerful tools HubSpot offers, you can elevate your email marketing strategies and connect more meaningfully with your audience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.